Hello, I'm Kenny from Valley Christian School in Youngstown, Ohio. For me, high school was a gateway to many different opportunities because I was really still searching for myself and maybe what I wanted to do. I didn't think that college was the perfect route for me, so I knew that it was morally custom where I'm from to work a trade, hands-on job. So that's what brought me to NCST. You really have more hands-on, quite literally. You know, that's really how I learn the easiest is by doing hands-on activities. I would say that with trade school, they tell you the job description, they tell you what you're getting into, and that's pretty much the gist of it all. It really is just going to be straight up forward with you and, you know, lead you to what you may be doing for the rest of your life. Yeah, I definitely would recommend NCST because I'll say, first of all, the administration makes it really comfortable for you to be able to focus on your work and really focus on your own improvement. Not much of the environment is trying to take away from your learning experience. If anything, it's being pushed further. I'd say that's why I would really suggest NCST to anyone and really anybody.